अच्छा नितेश, आपके रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम है, that is of course the most important. How does it work at Nazara Games?
Sure. So we have two revenue models. या तो कंज्यूमर जो गेम डाउनलोड कर रहा है,
अच्छा,
he pays for the game.
okay.
It may be 50 rupees a game, or 10-20 rupees a month. That's from the consumer wallet.
Okay.
Or a brand who wants to reach out to this consumer,
Okay.
pays for it, and the consumer plays the game for free.
Okay.
These are the two main revenue models we have.
And which are the brands you've tied up with?
It's an ongoing process. We have
Okay.
a lot of brands who have marketed with us.
Okay.
Brands, it could be. I'll have to check the list.
Okay.
Yeah,
So how many
yeah.
total?
Maybe about 20 brands have participated till now.
Ah, okay. So the revenue stream is two areas.
Yeah.
One is from the consumer and one is from your
Yeah.
brands.
Yeah.
अच्छा. Per month, कितने users आता है? How many users do you have?
So we have about today about 10 to 12 million monthly active users,
Okay. Okay.
which are about a crore and a half users.
Okay. And how has the growth spurt been in the last?
We've seen
100 decades?
we've seen very good growth, especially since 2010-11.
Okay,
We've seen
okay.
rapid growth year on year. And in fact, we are currently experiencing some explosive growth because with the Geo launch and the whole data revolution
the
that's
digital,
now happening.
Yeah, the digital world.
That's directly
evolution.
bringing a lot more consumers
Very
into the
interesting.
gaming
You're one of the
space.
first people
Yeah.
to say that.
So that's a
Okay, so
it's
that's
a very
been
good time for our
अच्छा,
business.
so that's been that's been beneficial for
Correct.
Nazara Games.
Correct.
अच्छा, और साल में how many do you have? How many downloads per year?
We have in the previous year
Yeah.
we had almost 3 crore downloads.
Okay.
And I think this year we will double that.
Okay. Now, does Nazara Games yearly have a benchmark in terms of downloads and active users? How do you keep upping the ante for that?
I mean, in the way the market is today, in the growth curve that we are today,
Haan ji.
we are looking at maybe 50% to 100% growth year on year in terms of downloads and users.
And how are you able to look at such a high number? Of course, having a first mover advantage, but
I think it's the industry we are in is going through this massive,
Shake-up.
Not shake-up, I would say
Okay.
growth spurt in terms of
interesting.
mobile data. Because for a consumer to download our game, he needs to have mobile internet or data on his phones.
और easy है और
And now
Okay.
a lot of there's so much push with mobile data.
okay.
The costs have come down, connectivity is much better. So many more consumers are coming on board.
Okay, so all the back-end support that
we
you
are just,
require.
We are just riding that wave.
So you're honest, okay.
Right.
So it's a huge boom simply because
Correct.
of all the back-end support
Correct.
and
then we have this boom is there.
Okay.
And we have the right content that the consumers want. So as a combination,
that's
is
what I
is
want to ask
driving
you.
the growth.
How have you been able to leverage that?
Yes.
That's what it is. Because that's you. That's Nitesh.
Yeah.
Combined with Nazara Games. आपने कितने बढ़िया से leverage किया है? कैसे?
Correct. I think our focus has always been to provide quality content in gaming.
Okay.
But what is appropriate for this market? Right, in terms of whether it's terms of file size, in terms of language, in terms of positioning of the content, the IP, and that's why it's worked well.
It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. What point was it at for you, Nazara Games में, जब आपको पता था you're here to stay for good?
I think after 2004-2005,
Okay.
once we had been through those first 4-5 years and started to understand and get grasp of the business model, I think then we understood that this mobile revolution is going to come, and it's something we will continue to focus on and keep building our business. And that's how we've continue to persevere.
Yeah. किस एज का consumers इस्तेमाल करते हैं Nazara Games?
We have kids
Profile,
or
yeah, I guess
children,
profile, I
children
should
as small as 3 or 4.
But is it educational
games.
driven for them?
To a certain extent,
Okay.
yes, but it's also entertainment. I mean,
You're being honest.
Yeah. It's a lot of parents will download the games for their kids to play, and it goes up to maybe even 40-year-old or 45-year-old shopkeeper in some small towns. So it's a pretty diverse age group.
Very diverse.
Yeah.
और आप के साथ ज़्यादा प्रोफाइल भी है C and T tier cities
Yes,
as well.
I would say almost 80% of our consumers are coming from B and C towns.
I just somehow presumed it was the sophisticated A
No,
plus
it's not.
metro cities. So you've actually, so that is where you say that USP of local relevant
Exactly,
content
exactly.
has really benefited Nazara.
Exactly.
Oh, okay. So you have a diverse. And is it just men, women? How does it work?
The concentration earlier was significantly male driven.
Okay,
But now it's balancing out. We're seeing a lot more female audience also coming.
Okay. And when you say female audience, what do you offer? What does Nazara Games offer the female contingency? Like, let's say if I want to download the Nazara app after
Yes.
interviewing you.
We just started building a catalog of games which reaches out to that audience.
Okay.
But it's more focused on puzzle games or games that, the women audience really like.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, very
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.